Hello everyone. Today let's look at number 46 in Blue Clip record. Today this Hwadu story is Zen Master Jangyung. Zen Master Jangyung said a monk, what sound is that outside gate? So the monk said, the sound of raindrops. So Zen Master Jangyung said, sentient beings are embodied. They lose themselves and follow after things. So the monk said, what about you, teacher? Zen Master Jangyung said, I almost don't lose myself. So the monk asked again, what is the meaning of I almost don't lose myself? So Zen Master Jangyung said, though it still should be easy to express oneself, though it still should be easy to express oneself, to say the whole things has to be difficult. There is a second translation. It's easy to realize, but hard to put it into words. This is the story of 46. Sometimes Zen dialogue happened in unexpected situation. Why does it often happen in unexpected situation? It is because Zen mind should be always being awakening. All of these four words above of Zen Master Jangyung are messages. These, each one words, are the words that awakening this monk. Please read it carefully. We should find the road. We should find the road among the unexpected words, metaphors, symbols. Now, let's look at the birth of Zen Master Soltu to this Hwadu. An empty hall, the sound of raindrops. Hard to respond even for an adept. Even if someone attains enlightenment, they still doesn't understand. Understanding or not understanding. On South Mountain, on North Mountain, more and more downpour. This is the birth of Zen Master Soltu about this Hwadu. And I will add a verse to this Hwadu. If there are gaps, the fruits is not yet ripe. If you want a real drink, forget time. Don't open the lid. The deep scent, fragrance, will tell you when. As I said above, in Zen Buddhism, a word, a action, a sound, even a dot, all of them are message. We cannot afford to neglect it. If you can understand Hwadu, you can understand the bus. If you can understand the bus, you can understand the Hwadu. Look at these buses carefully. Don't have to miss the message. Please refer to the script below. Today, let's call it a day.